All right, so we just talked about finding the center of a quadrilateral. Let's find the center of a triangle. So I'm going to plot all of these points. So R is -1 for I. S is 7, -2I. T is -3, -8I, right? And now we're finding the midpoints. So we already know that the midpoints are the average of the endpoints, right? This is what we know. What am I doing? Just gonna draw a triangle. Whoops. Right, so we want the average of the midpoints, right? So what are the midpoints? Here they are. Right here are the midpoints of the sides. Right here they are. Right. So let's mark them. Right. And now if I were to connect them, I wonder what would happen. Oh, that's interesting. Well, they all intersect at the same point as expected because these are medians, right? And this is the centroid, right? Okay, I'm not segment. Okay, so this is the centroid, right? So the medians intersect at the centroid, but um, let's try to prove that it's actually the average of the vertices of the coordinates of the vertices. Okay, so let's do let's say midpoint of R and S. So this is R plus S over 2, right? Um, so how is this number? How are we going to figure out the point which divides the segment in the ratio 2 to 1? So let's try again some one-dimensional stuff. And so let's say this over here is 5, right? And 5 plus 6 is, let's say this is 11. And we want the division of 2 to 1, right? So this is x, and this is 2x. 1, 2 to 1 division. So I think people can see it's 7, right? But how do we get 7? So if you take 5 and you multiply it by 2, and you add 11 and you multiply it by 1, and you divide it by 2 plus 1, you exactly get 7. I mean, it's like 10 plus 11 is 21. So it's 21 over 3, which is equal to 7. Okay. And in general, this is how it works. If you want to divide a segment in the ratio 2 to 1, you multiply the closer point by 2, the further away point, sorry, by, yeah, the further away point by 1, and you divide the result by 3. So essentially, this point over here, the centroid, right, should be line. This point should be R plus S over 2 times 2 plus T quantity divided by 3. If we do the arithmetic correctly, this is just R plus S plus T divided by 3, which is exactly what we wanted to show. Okay?